follow, okay? It's early in the morning. 6:59 I got right now. Since 5 o'clock, we were encountering heavy rain here. So that's it. That's the bridge of the borough here. So that's it. There's a bridge over there. That's my house over there. It's time for job. I'm coming to go to job. So yeah, that's it. That's Babukar, okay? Shit. Subhanallah. Yeah. That's my room over there.